What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video on Melrose Boulevard. You got Bossco Mitchell here.
What's up, y'all? What's good?
We didn't talk to him that much on the last one. We're gonna talk to him a lot more. Yeah. Let's go see what's up with some of these shops. All right, we're starting off at Footlocker. We're talking about whether we should go into bein or not, because they be tripping. All right, let's look around this bad boy right here. One of the newer releases. Got hits of gold everywhere. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. The Jordans, these are pretty much all the Jordans here. A lot of mids and lows. I'm gonna get the slides out the way. You got the Thunder 4 slides. Also got the white cement 3 hydros. Got 7s. Got the Flints. Like, I think they just got a restock on these along with Hollywood as well as the Florida Mall one. Cause yeah, we haven't seen these forever. All of a sudden we see them at certain spots. We got the black olives. Someone did get that right on the Florida video. I tried to message them, but they haven't gotten back to me. Playoff 13s, Draft 5s, the Palomino 3s right here with the interesting leather on top. I do got the 6s right there. Do got the Dunks up top, Forces in the middle, Airmore Tempos on the bottom. 5 different pairs of Dunk Highs up top. Got this one right here with that interesting leather, and then also got the splits, the Chicago split lows. What was that, a turquoise colorway or something? Was they tripping on you recording?
No.
Oh.
I mean, nobody said.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, one dude came up to me and said, "Oh, you can't record." I was like, "Really?"
Who did?
I don't know. Was it Samoan?
Right here?
Oh, yeah. All right, let's go. On to the next spot. All right, I'm an idiot. I was like waiting for the. I'm like, nobody uses these lights. I don't know, whatever. All right, dude got an interesting Kobe mural right there, like made out of polygons or something. That's like a Nintendo 64 Kobe right there.
Yeah, for real.
Nintendo 64, maybe, I don't know. All right, do got a shoe palace. Let's see if they trip. Let's go. Of course, they do got these here. They don't have my size, but they do have these here. These are down to 60 as well. I was wondering if I should grab these, but I just spent money on sneakers, so I need to chill. I had a crazy weekend too, sneakers-wise. Dang it. Those are freaking fire though. Those are even better. Man, look at this grade school section right here. This was the men's section. This would just be fire. Man. Still got these available, but they got these available on sneakers right now too. So I think I'm gonna return my pair. I'm sure I'll have returned it by the time you guys watch this video. Then got the taxis. Got the UNC toes. Lucky green 3s. Which color blocking do you guys like better? Do you guys like that one? Or do you guys like that one? Interesting. I don't know. I can't pick. Is this the one that I got for insane cheap? Is this the one? I don't remember. Because it was a high. I think that's the one I got for hella cheap. Out in, what was it? Pittsburgh? Palomino lows. Mars Yard 3 lows. Palomino for grade school. Mars Yard for grade school. Do they still have these? What the hell? Still got these 6s, and then also got these too. Georgetowns? Holy cow. In the men's section, they still got Dornbeckers left. Do got the Dornbecker foam posits, which are pretty fire. They're just expensive. $250 for these. They are fire though. I got these on sale too, Air Max 95s. These are pretty dope, pretty fire. And $100 for these. We've been seeing a ton of Air Max 97s on sale lately though. Air Max 97s, the Terra Escape colorways, going for crazy cheap. Huarache is also going for hella cheap. And speaking of Huaraches, do got these bad boys right here, the Flight Huaraches, like a Lakers colorway from way back when. Okay. And then speaking of Dornbeckers, they have another one. They do have the Huarache Dornbeckers right here, going for $150. Well, we see these go on sale. Some of the prior Dornbeckers did go on sale, which is kind of insane. Still got these, which is insane. Then everybody trying to get rid of the Kyries. $70 for these. Okay, $70. Okay. No, wait, they getting rid of these too? They getting rid of them for $70? They're normally what? $110, $120 or something. So almost 50% off, almost. All right, they do have an entire Adidas section here, but I don't know. Is any of this hot? Like, I don't even see anything on sale. Like, before we'd see a bunch of these on sale, a bunch of the forums and stuff like that, but nothing's even on sale. I don't know. Is there even anything even worth looking at? Like, I am a huge fan of the forums. You know, they got the Shoe Palace one right here. They got the flea market one here. I still don't know what the heck that's about, but they got those. But that's about it. All right, they do got the campus. I do like these. I do like I like the puffy look to them. You know, I do like them, but $110. See if they have them at the Adidas outlet eventually, maybe. Jordan section, not really seeing anything crazy. Not seeing much. You fools have that in your city? That little robot, that little Wally right there is making a delivery? You guys have that in your city? Doing a marathon with Bossco.
Yes, sir.
We hit up resale shops. We hit up, wait, what is, oh, we hit up the retail shops that I got kicked out of. And then now we're at, what is this, Westfield. Oh, now we're at Westfield Fashion Square. That's what it's called, but, and Sherman Oaks. Yeah, I always call it Westfield Sherman Oaks. All right, let's go. Are you guys feeling these? I just saw them for the first time. I guess everybody's just saw them for the first time recently, but these ain't bad. These ain't bad. Not bad. Not moving like that. Three's just not super popular. That's one of the OG colorways. And this is the spot with the insane Jordan wall right here. Just got way too many J's. Not too many on sale though. Seeing the taxi mids on sale. These are $100. We got the 7s. These are down to $160. The Afro Beats colorway. So someone told me these are the Stadium 90s. That's what they're called. Yeah, I didn't really know anything about these, but yeah, it is what it is. All right, continuing the marathon. Is there anything here? I don't know. Let's look around. We saw these on sale at Shoe Palace, and now they're $100 here. Still got the Shack Attacks? They're still not even on sale, man. Come on now, man. These are fire, dude. I can't believe you guys don't like them. A regular price for these two. I did pick one up. I need to... Did I do my hauls? Yeah, I did show my hauls in one of my videos. Okay. Jordan section, they do got the 3s right there. They have the 6s. But not much else. Not too much interesting stuff, to be really honest. That's probably why I haven't done that many mall vlogs lately. Yeah, it's been okay. You know, we've seen these for a pretty decent price. The Vapor Max. We've seen those decent price. Those are the Flyknits. The 95s right there go for $130. Air More Tempos. We've seen both of these on sale at different places. Got the LeBrons on sale. That's really not too many interesting things, to be really honest. Adidas A6 right there. You got the On Running or On is that the company? And then got New Balance. Really not much. I thought there'd be a lot more red tags. I don't really see too many red tags. Yeah, not too crazy, to be really honest. All right, I guess we'll check out this finish line just because we're here. We're gonna get Bossco's take on this mall situation, dude, because it's definitely interesting. Still got the one lonely pair of Stussies right there, Stussy Air Force Ones. Those have been here for like what, 3 weeks? I want to say it's a 12 and a half too. But yeah, people ain't digging it, I guess. Looking for steals. I have found just random steals here before. I think I got some Currys here for like $30 and stuff a while back. Dude got the Pandas right there. Got 3 other Dunks, 4 different Dunk lows, 3 different Dunk highs. Jordan section right there, kind of underwhelming. And then speaking of the Currys, they only have the budget model of the Currys. And then the Witness 6 is going for a really good price. Look at that, $40 off. Also the, what are these? The KD, what the budgets, right? The KD 10s, the Trey 10s. Nice little sale right there. Bossco's doing his thing. Make sure you guys check out his channel. Make sure you guys click on the description below if you guys aren't aware of him. 30K strong, just past the 30K mark. Does have some giveaways. And yeah, I don't think he's gotten to my giveaways yet because I'm even donating to his giveaways because he's always been a good supporter of my channel. Bossco, man, what are your thoughts about the malls right now, man?
Malls are kind of dead, bro. As far as the product being there, you're seeing the same thing at every spot. That's why when I go to the store, I'm looking just for like different colorways because you're gonna see the same thing everywhere else for the most part, really, man. Yeah. The best bet is going to the outlets or Marshalls and Ross's, those type of stores.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
We've been talking about that. You and I have just been killing it at the Ross and Marshalls and Burlington's lately.
Yeah, absolutely.
Man.
I mean, here or there's some things here or there at the stores, but best bet is going to the discount store.
And the sales, there used to be all kinds of sales, and the sales have dried up.
Yeah, because it feels like they're doing their last push, trying to get things at the highest clip before back to school. Maybe after back to school, maybe the prices drop back down. Who knows? But the retail price is crazy.
Been addicted to this Too Good To Go app. Grabbed a couple of slices today, as well as a calzone. A little garlic knot. This was what, $6 something? It's gonna be legit. But Bossco, show us the TikTok impression again.
Hey, thanks for the apples. Thanks for the apples.
See, I didn't know that. I had no clue that so many people did that on TikTok. That's what Bossco was telling me.
On TikTok right now, that's crazy. You just sit there and act like you're an avatar, and when they send you an emoji, you react to it. It's crazy.
That is so random. All right, make sure you guys check out Bossco's channel. Make sure you guys go check his channel.
I won't be doing this though. But
Yeah.
Come check out the channel.
So make sure you guys check out the channel. Link in the description. Go ahead and do that. Make sure you guys click on my videos. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And click on some of these videos right here. You know, I've been to different states, different stuff. And hopefully you guys enjoy. See ya.